You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 12. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 8x from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -4. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is x equals 12.